Dear student, subtraction math quiz question. Question number 1, 47 minus 18 is equal to option 1 19, option B 23, option C 29, option D 25. The correct answer is option C 29. Question number 2, 74 minus 29 is equal to option A 26, option B 45, option C 39, option D 49. The correct answer is A 26. Question number 3, 63 minus 19 is equal to A 36, B 44, C 49 and D is 48. The correct answer is option B 44. Question number 4, 86 minus 24 is equal to option A 62, option B 59, option C 63, option D 54. The correct answer is option A 62. Question number 5, 88 minus 17 is equal to option A 78, option B 76, option C 69, option D 71. The correct answer is 71. Thank you for watching.